Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to integrate Calendly with WordPress. So, in order to do this, first of all, navigate to any browser on your PC. Now, after opening your browser, you'll have to first of all log into your Calendly account on calendly.com. Now, after logging into your Calendly account, you'll have to navigate to another tab and log into wordpress.com using your user credentials. Now, after you do this, the first thing that you're going to do is navigate to WordPress, then click on the pages icon here. Now choose add a new page button. When you click on add a new page button, you'll be taken to this page where you can choose blank page. Now you can name this page anything you want. For example, book a call. Now I can simply edit this text anyhow I want. Now in order to add or integrate Calendly to this page, I will have to simply click on this plus icon here. Now I will see a search bar where I will have to type in HTML. Now choose custom HTML and it will show up a small area where you can enter your Calendly's link. So navigate back to Calendly, choose event or meetings that you have, and you can simply click on the copy link button under any meeting that you want to integrate to WordPress. So click on copy link, navigate back to WordPress and paste the link that is Calendly's link just right here. Now you can simply click on the publish button. After this, click on publish again and you would have successfully integrated Calendly with WordPress. So you can simply click on view page and this is how your page is going to look like. It says book a call, and when someone is going to click on this link, they'll be taken over to my Calendly's page where they can easily book a call or appointment with me on Calendly using WordPress. Now, what you can also do is click on edit page button just right here and edit this page to make it more beautiful and appealing. So that is the simple way to integrate Calendly with WordPress. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.